I need some help with my roses. It is now winter in Michigan, but come warm weather in summer, I get little green worms on my plants. Can I use neem oil to eliminate the green worms on my roses? This is thanks, Jan from Michigan. Miss Jan, I know a little bit about those green worms, right? Because I grow roses at home. I have a lot of roses. And every year I always see the rose slug or the rose sawfly larva. That's what this is. They feed on the underside of the leaf.
Okay.
Most people are looking at the top. They feed on the underside. They can skeletonize your leaves, right?
Yeah.
So they eat in between the veins, okay? But the thing about this is, if those plants are healthy, they can withstand that damage, right? Now, if you must control them, we're gonna talk about low impact pesticides. You asked, could you use neem oil? You can use neem oil, you can use horticulture oil, you can also use insecticidal soap. But you have to target the larva stage. That's why the life cycle is so important. Read and follow the label, that'll do the trick.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.